Good morning, children. Welcome to our online recording class. So today we are here to solve the binary arithmetic. In our previous class, we have discussed about the binary addition, subtractions, multiplication, and division. We had covered the addition and subtraction using the borrowed method. Today we will be doing the subtraction using the one complement and two complement method. Okay. So here, so last time we have completed this one, now we'll be doing this one and will be this one. So to do this one complement method, we have to follow these steps. Okay. So first steps you have to put the leading zeros to make both the number one and number two equal. So the thing which we need to minus, from one number to another, first number and second number are there. We need to make it equal by putting the zero in front so that the same number of digit will be there in both the subtraction. Second part is there, you have to find the one complement. So how to find the one complement, I'll be showing you. Third one, after finding the first complement, we just have to this number one, that number, first number, the number from which we will subtract needs to be added with the complement number. Okay. After that, we have to observe the value of the carry. The carry will be there. So your carry will be either 0 or 1. If the carry is 1, then the answer is positive. So if it is positive, we need to add 1 to that sum and that will be the answer. If the carry is 0, then the answer is negative and we need to equal to one complement of the sum part. So we have to take the one complement of that sum which we have taken out. So I'll be solving one example. I just want you to go through it. Okay, let me write one example. So example number 1. One 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 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 1. So here I have said that put leading zeros to make it number and number two the same numbers of digit. So how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So we need to add three more zeros. So we need to make it the same digits by just putting 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1, this one, and here 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0. So number 1, digits of number 1 is equals to number 2. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 digits is there. Now the second step, so I need to find the first complement. So its complement is simple. So first complement, find one complement. So the first complement, step 1, first complement is complement of this second number I need to find out, not the first number. So the second number, so complement of this number 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0. So complement means we are just reversing. So 0 will become 1 1 1 and 1 will become 0 0 1 0 0. Now this is the first complement. So here find one complement. To find the complement, we just have to reverse the digit. If it is 0, you have to make it 1. If it is 1, we have to make it 0. So in the third step, we have to add. So we have to add this number with this complement. So 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. So I hope you have learned, understood the rule of binary addition I have given in the last class. So just following that rule, we have to okay. Let me check. Okay, we need to add 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now we need to add. So just we need to add 2. Why do we need to add? add, just third step, we need to add the number, the first number and the uh, first complement which had come. Okay, so we need to add that. So following the binary addition rule, we have to write 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, so 1 is carry over, 1 plus 0 is 1, then 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11, again 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now see. Now how to find? Now the fourth step is you have to observe the carry. So your carry is there, no? Carry is very important to find the answer. To get the final answer, we have to observe the carry. Now how to find the carry? How to find the carry? How to find the carry? We just have to see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, what is the number of digit in the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need to make that this is the sum and this is the carry. 1 is the carry. Now what do we have to do? So this is not the answer. Now the final answer is, yeah, you just need to be very careful over here. If carry is 1, then answer is positive and equals to sum plus 1. The sum which we have taken is this one. So we have left, we need to drop this carry and we have to add that. Now let us find the answer. Now the answer will be this 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we are just leaving this carry. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1. So carry needs to be added. So 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then this 0 will come. Then this 1 will come. Then this 0 will come. Then this 0 will come. Then this 0 will come. And this 1 will come. Let me check the answer. Okay. So this is the answer. So you need to be very careful while you get the carry. So if the carry is 1, you have to add 1 to the sum and you will get the answer. So this is the first example. Okay. Now let me do another type of example where there is no carry or zero carry. Okay. Okay. Second type I will be doing with no carry. So here you have, when there was a carry, we have added 1, whatever was the carry we have added there and we got the answer. Now I will be showing another example where there is no carry. Okay. First one was for carry and this second one is for non-carry. Let me take the example. One zero 101011 minus 111001. 101011 100110001. So this is the question. So the first step is that we need to see the digits are equal or not. Digits are equal, so no problem. Now first step, digits are equal, so we'll just follow the drill. This is equal. These are equal. The second step, we have to find the 1 complement. So this is number 1, first number. This is number 2. This is the second number. The second step is that we have to find the 1 complement of the number. So 1 complement of the second number. So is of 111001 equals to, we just have to make it opposite, 1 complement. Okay, so it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 to the base 2. So we have taken the 1 complement. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, after that, what do we have to do? We have to add the first number and the complement. So, what is the first number? So, this is our first number. So, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. After that, we have to add 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. After that, we just have to solve this. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 1 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1. Okay. So, now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no carry. Now, if there is no carry means we can say it has a 0 carry. So, if carry is 0, then the answer is the negative and equals to the 1 complement of the sum part. Now, this is the sum part. Now, what is the 1 complement of the sum part? So, we just have to take out the complement of whatever it had come. Okay. So, we have to write the carry is 0. So, hence the result is negative. So, negative result, 0 means negative. So, then it's equals to, and it is equals to 1 complement of the sum. So, what we have to do is that 1 complement means what? It's an opposite. Simply, so this is the sum. Sum is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, complement, first complement, 1 complement is opposite of this. So, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, answer is, this is the answer. Now, where to write the answer? So, this is the answer. So, we just have to put 1 complement and write. So, these are the ways to find the result of the binary subtraction using the 1 complement method. Let me do the second complement method. Okay. So I'll just rub this out. So first complement, second, find the second complement. Find the second. The rule is that you have to find the second 2 complements. Find 2 complements. So the equal is the one, then sum part only. Part 2's complement, sum part, and if the carry is 0, the negative n equals to the 2 negative n equals to the 2 complements. Okay, so let me go through the rules. So if you have to find the 2 complements of binary number, you just have to follow the same, that like first complement only. We have to make it equal. We have to find the 2 complements. I'll teach you how to find the 2 complements. Then add the number 1 and 2 complements. After that, Observe the value, see the carryover. If the carryover is 1, then the answer is positive and equals to the sum part. That sum part, whatever it's come, then it will be there. And if carryover is 0, then we have to find the second complement of the sum part. Okay, so I'll be giving you the two examples, and I'll just finishing off the lesson. Let me start the first example. Okay. Oh, 110 minus 101 110. So the digits are not same. Okay, so one have 6 digits, another have, so we need to make it equal. So first digit is 110110. Second digit is 01101. Now to make it equal, we'll put 0. Okay, now we will find two complements. Okay, two complements. How to find two complements? So to find the two complement, first we have to find the first complement, then we can find the second complement by adding 1. Okay, so the first complement of the number is let me find the first complement. So let me find the first complement of this number. This is the first complement you have learned. So first complement of 010110 is 101001. 101001. Now let me make that same into two complement. We just have to add 1. To make this two complement, we have to plus 1 to the first complement. Two complement, we have to add 1. So 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 10. 1, then 0, then 1, then 0, then 1. That is 101010. Okay, so this is the second complement. Now I have to add the first number with the second complement number. First number, add the first number with the second complement number. So the first complement is this one, 110110 plus 101010. So 1111010 plus the second complement number. So we just have to add 0 0 0 0 0 11. So 1 is the extra over here. So 1 is the extra over here. So now I just have to find the answer. So it's written over here, if the carry is 1, then the answer is the positive and equals to the sum part. So the answer is this one only, 110000 is the answer. Let me find the answer. Okay, 1 1. Okay, now I just have to drop this one. This is the carry and this is the sum. So my answer is, I just have to drop this and I have to write 0 0 0 0. 1000, 1 tens, 100, 1000. Okay, to the base 2. So this is the answer. So what I have did, so whatever sum is coming, that carry 1 I had dropped, and whatever is remaining, that had become the answer. Okay. Now the third one, the next example. So this is when carry was 1. Now I'll give you another example where carry is 0. Okay, let me try do the another example. Where the carry is 0. Okay, yeah. Next example where the carry is 0. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now let me see the first step. What is the first step? You just have to see whether the two digits are equal or not. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 equal. Now I'll just write first number equals to 1 0 1 1 0 and second number equals to 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so both are equal. Now what is the second step I have to do? I have to find the two complement. To find the two complement, I just have to find the first complement. First complement is how much? First complement of the second number I have to find 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so the first complement of 111 is 0 0 1 0 1. Let me check. The first complement is 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, now I have to make this into second complement, two complements. To complement, I'm just putting 1, just putting 1. So 1 plus 1 10, 1 plus 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Sorry, which one I'm doing? Okay, 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, it's correct. So this is the second complement. Now what is the third step? I have to add the number 1 and the complement. So what is number 1? This is 1 0 1 1 0 plus this whatever I have got 0 1 1 0 0. I need to